Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore your selected city on the Big Bus Tours application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the City Explorer button down below, which is the third option. And here you can see the map of your selected city or location. And here you can see these red dots or black dots. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and here you can find the location and the stops can be checked out. Here you can see the available options. Click on the relevant one down below, and here you can read the introduction, interesting facts, contact details, and your nearest stop can be checked out on the map as well. As you go back, feel free to tap on another button and you can view the route if you tap on the view routes button. So that's how you can explore your city. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.